Hi, I'm Bill Walker. I'm joined today by the management team of Trimark U.S. Companies Fund, lead portfolio manager Jim Young and co-manager Ashley Misquitta. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Jim, your report card is really impressive. So how did you achieve these kind of results?
Well, Bill, we invest in businesses, and business is tough. It's been tough since I started my career in 1977, and it hasn't really gotten any easier over time. And so with that as a basic premise, we've narrowed the process to focusing on those companies that can get themselves to a position of sustainable growth. And, growth is difficult, first of all. To sustain that growth is even more difficult. And so we do look for very specific things in companies, and given our focus on value-added companies, the only way you continue to grow as a value-added company is to innovate constantly. Innovation is a very difficult process in and of itself. And so you need to create a culture around that. And so that's really what we do. We focus on those companies that have built a culture of innovation. The innovation provides new products have good margins, new products get you market share, that gives you a scale advantage. You therefore have enough money to reinvest in the innovation process and market development process. And that's really the key to sustainable growth. And so if you can grow over an extended period of time, the value of the company increases, and we as unit holders make good money. And that's what I've been doing throughout my career. It works most of the time. It always works on a long-term basis. There can be ups and downs in the short run, but our long-term focus and the long-term focus of the companies we invest in is really the key to wealth accumulation.
And Ashley, there are a lot of great attributes, but can you sum up for us why you think investors should own Trimark U.S. Companies Fund?
Sure. It's a combination of the opportunity set and our approach. Our approach allows us to be highly selective. The opportunity set, the breadth and depth of the U.S. capital markets. So perhaps maybe another way to think about it is it's a deep, rich, well-stocked pool in which to fish in. We're able to select those companies that have met our pretty stringent criteria. At the same time, our approach to investing has a demonstrated track record of success. And if you look at, Jim has started the fund in 1999, and I've joined him in more recent years. Since inception, the fund has outperformed the S&P 500 by about 230 basis points on an annual basis. And that compounds to quite a bit of money over time for investors. So I think that it makes a very compelling case that this asset class, so U.S. equity, should be a core holding for investors. And within that, the Trimark U.S. Companies Fund should be a core holding for long-term investors.
Okay, these are great insights. Thanks to you both.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.